Hi guys, Faz this side here once again. In this ninth video, I am going to show you how you can launch your first ever video ad campaign. Before that, I just want to tell you $1 million strategy which can help you to generate more qualified and exclusive leads within a short time period. The strategy behind advertisement is you just educate your ideal client by showing awareness ad. Let's suppose we started an ad of awareness for 4 days. In these 4 days, our ad is reached to 1 million people. So again, we have to retarget them with a lead generation ad with another video. Probably most of them have already know about you because we had done our awareness ad earlier, right? So we are only targeting those 1 million people with a lead generation ad. So there is probably chances they will definitely give you the lead. So that is the whole strategy where in the whole internet nobody will tell you this, so that you can get qualified and exclusive tons of leads for your ad campaign. So let's dive into this video. Go to the ads manager on your backend. Right, click that create button. Right, just choose lead generation campaign. Click leads and click continue. Just change your campaign name. I'm just putting HP laptop lead ad, and we have to change our ad set name also, HP laptop ad set. Right, so change the ad name HP laptop ad. Okay, so come to the campaign level, just scroll it down. You don't have to do anything here. So click to the ad set level and we have to choose instant forms. Right, so scroll down and you can see here maximize number of leads, maximize number of conversion leads. Usually I use the first one because it would be more better. Click view terms and policy, select your page. So you just have accept this. I earlier accepted, you can see here, right? So go back and scroll down. So just choose your daily budget. I would prefer 200 rupees. It would be good fit for a live campaign. Just to scroll down here, the major part comes here. We just have to choose our location where we want to run the ads. So click the location, click edit button. Default it takes India, so close this one. Just type your location, your city here. So I'm just adding bulk locations. Click location type and postal codes. Default country is United States, right? You just have change your country. So India. So I'm dropping here our zip codes of Telangana. You can see here, right? My client wants ad to run here on Telangana state. So copy all zip codes, just paste here. Right, click match locations. Here you can see 30 locations are added, 0 errors, right? So you can see here all locations are from Telangana. Right, so click add 30 locations. We added our all locations here, you can see. Right, again I want to target by age range also, from 18 to usually fit for 55, because they will be like mostly to purchase anything online. So click here detailed targeting. This is the major part. So search your keyword laptops, because my client is selling laptops, that's why I'm just searching this keyword. So laptops retail, and you can click suggestions. Facebook itself refers. So laptops, computer, and click one more time, computers and electronics, desktop computers. So choose 4 to 5 keywords. You can see here I just added 5 keywords. Those people are actually searching for laptops, so that's why you can see our audience size 3 lakh to 4 lakh plus people. So it is a good fit for one. So you just ignore this part. You likely won't spend the entire budget, so you just ignore it. Click next and you just have select your page. Our Instagram page is laptop mart 1, so I just selected it, and you just have delete this one because we have to add our video, right? So click add media, click add video, and click upload. Choose a video from your desktop. I'm just fast forwarding this video because it takes 5 minutes time. So our video is loading. Choose your video and click next button. Just close this. Here we got our video is added, right? So ignore this thing. Cost per result may due to this, right? Okay. We have to add our primary text. So I just created these bullet points. You just copy this and paste it here. So bullet points is mandatory on primary text, and at last we have to give call to action. So on the headline I am just giving book now your consultation, right? So on the description we have to give stars because it triggers a person when somebody want to purchase a laptop or anything, right? So the call to action should be book now. Change it book now, right? And scroll down. You can see here our Facebook feeds, Facebook marketplace, and Instagram Explorer page, and you can see here, right, every placement of a video is showing. So you just have check out once. So this is not showing, right? The length of your video should be 15 seconds. So
it is
that's why we are
laptop
changing
840
here
G5
for 15 seconds. So
Core
in this
i5
video
का 8th
or edit
generation
this
4
video for 15 seconds and click apply. Processing video trimming. So this may take between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. So you just have to wait for this time, and we have to check other audience networks and banners and click advanced preview so that we can see all our placements, our Facebook feed. So you can see here Explorer home, it was a new placement, and you can see in stream for videos. It was not working, right? Okay, just close this thing, click that one. So we just have click edit button. I just want to change this video because it was not showing, right? So I'm just adding another video here, right? Click save, so that we just added our new video here on the Instagram homepage. Leave this no issues, or either you can add an image here, right? So you can see we just added a form also. Later on I will show you how to create a form. So this is the form which we are adding for a client. Click publish now. You can see our ad is publishing on the URL side, 87%, 92%, and it was published right now, right? So it is under processing. So close this one. Now we just placed our ad. We have to wait for 5 hours so that we know our ad will be rejected or live. You just have wait for 5 hours to get your ad active. I am showing now after 5 hours. So our ad is active right now. So you can see here. So that's how you can easily create a video ad lead generation campaign. That's it. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned to my next video. Until then, bye bye.